Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate content creation using AI agent. So let's suppose I am running an online business and I want to improve my online presence. For that, I regularly want to post on various social media. Now doing this manually is a very time consuming task, so I am completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI. Here I am going to use my AI agent as OpenAI, then Facebook and LinkedIn. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that as soon as I am going to add a new content idea in my Google Sheets, a content will be automatically generated with the help of OpenAI, and then this content will be automatically created and then be posted on my Facebook and on my LinkedIn. Now if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we are going to see how to automate content creation using AI agent. For this, I have created an automation workflow where I have built connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI, Facebook pages, LinkedIn, and then Google Sheets. And now we are going to check this automation workflow once, whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'll be adding a title in this particular Google Sheets spreadsheet. And if a post is automatically created and posted on my Facebook and LinkedIn, then this means this automation workflow is working fine. So here, let's quickly add content idea. Here my content idea is how to get 10x more leads with Pabbly and AI, and now I'm going to add some keywords. So here I have added my keywords, and now I'm going to just wait for a few seconds and I will open my Facebook and LinkedIn and check whether a post has been created and posted on my Facebook and LinkedIn or not. So let's open my Facebook page. I'm going to refresh this page once. So here I can see that just now a post has been created and posted on my Facebook page. Are you ready to supercharge your lead generation? Discover how to get 10x more leads with Pabbly and power of AI. So this is a very beautiful content and we have generated a very beautiful image. Now let's quickly open my LinkedIn and check whether a post has been created there or not. For that, I am going to refresh this LinkedIn page also. And here I can see that just now same post has been posted on my LinkedIn. This is the same post and the same image. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate content creation using AI agent with Pabbly. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI, Facebook and LinkedIn with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this Create Workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name and then have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first, let's name this workflow as How to Automate Content Creation Using AI Agent. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created. And here I'm going to select this as AI Agent and then click on Create. So here workflow created successfully, and as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to automate content creation using AI agent, for which what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my content idea in this particular Google Sheet spreadsheet. So here trigger says when this happens. So when I'm going to add a new content idea in this particular Google Sheet spreadsheet, and then action says do this, then create a content and post that content on my social media platforms. So here in my trigger application, I'll be taking this Google Sheets where I'm going to add all my content ideas, and then in my action application, I'll be taking OpenAI. Here I'm going to use my AI agent as OpenAI, which will help me generate the content, and then in my action application, I'll be taking Facebook and LinkedIn to post my content there. Now, if you want to use any other social media platform, you can select according to your choice and preference. Here in this workflow, we will be working on Facebook and LinkedIn. So here first in my trigger application, let's take Google Sheets. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new or updated spreadsheet row. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, we are going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Google Sheets. So this is my Google Sheets, and I am going to add some content idea in this, and this should be captured in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So to do this, what I have to do, I have to make this webhook connection in my Google Sheets. And for that, what I have to do, I have to go to this extensions, then go to this add-ons, and then click on this get add-ons. So here Google Workspace Marketplace has appeared in front of me, where I am going to search for my Pabbly Connect webhooks. And it is showing installed because I have already installed this in my Google Sheets. But if you are doing this for the first time, make sure that you follow the same process and install this in your Google Sheets. Now, after that you have installed this Pabbly Connect webhooks, it will start appearing over here. So you have to go to this Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then you have to go to this initial setup. Now this initial setup box has appeared in front of me, where I need to enter the webhook URL. This is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow, and then I have to enter the trigger column. So first let's quickly add this webhook URL. I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here, and next I have to add the trigger column. So it is written, the trigger column will be a final data entry column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So I'm going to add my final data entry column here in this particular spreadsheet. My final data entry column is column B. It is not C because this column is for the status, and if the post is created and posted on my social media platform, I want to fill this column only then. So here in this case, my trigger column will be column B, because this will be the final data entry column in which I will be adding all the details. So the trigger column or my final data entry column in this particular spreadsheet is column B. I have entered that, and what we have to do, we have to click on this send test. But now you can see that I have not added any detail in this particular spreadsheet, so we can see no data found in row 2. So let's quickly add the content idea in this particular spreadsheet. So here I have added my content idea as 5 must-have workflow for business owners using Pabbly Connect, and my keywords will be, here I have added my keywords: Pabbly Connect workflows, business automation, workflow automation tools, productivity hacks. These are my keywords. Now let's go back to my Pabbly Connect webhooks. So here we have added this webhook URL and the trigger column, and now I am going to click on the send test button. So here the test data sent successfully, which means the complete row data is sent to my Pabbly Connect workflow. Now that I have sent this data to my Pabbly Connect workflow, I have to click on this submit so as to make this configuration setup. So here the setup configured successfully, which means this particular Google Sheet spreadsheet is now connected to my Pabbly Connect workflow. Now we have to follow one more very important step. We have to go to this extensions, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then we have to click on the send on event button. So this step will make sure whatever data we add in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. Whatever data means whatever content idea I will be adding in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. Now let's go back to my Pabbly Connect workflow and check whether we have captured all these details there or not. Now, if I scroll down, I can see that I have captured the response. The trigger column was column B. The spreadsheet name was content creation. The keywords were these that we have added in the Google Sheets spreadsheet, and the content idea was this: 5 must-have workflows for business owners using Pabbly Connect. Now here, as soon as I have made this connection, I have clicked on the send test button and made the setup configuration. I have captured that detail here in this workflow, and this means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, that is successful. And now whenever there will be new idea added in this particular Google Sheets spreadsheet, I will start capturing that detail here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, as soon as I capture the content idea in my workflow, I want to generate a content on that. So for that, to generate a content, I am going to use an AI agent, OpenAI. So here in my action application, I am going to take OpenAI. And then in my action event, I am going to take this as Chat GPT and then click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the token. So to get this token, I am going to follow the help desk given below this field. I am going to click on this hyperlink. And here I am landed to this page of API keys. Now we have to create a new API key, and for that we have to click on this create new secret key button. First, I have to provide the name to the secret key. So let's say the name is test. The project will be default project and the permissions will be all. You have to simply click on this create secret key button after providing all these details, and a new API token will be provided to you, which you can copy and paste that over here in this field. Now, as I have already an existing connection, I'll go with the select existing connection and then click on the save. So here OpenAI is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to select the model and then I have to enter the prompt. Now in this drop down, I can find all the AI models. I'm going to select this as GPT-4o Mini. Next, I have to enter the prompt. So I have to give a prompt in such a way that whatever data I am adding in this particular spreadsheet, a content is created out of that. And then I can post that same content on my Facebook and on my LinkedIn. So here I am going to enter the prompt in a way like, so here I have entered my prompt, generate an engaging and professional social media post for Facebook, LinkedIn, about, and now I am going to add my idea. Then I have provided a field for keywords are, then the post should be informative, attention grabbing and encourage engagement, use a conversational tone, add relevant hashtags and include a strong call to action, ensure the content aligns with business professionals and social media audience, please remove extra signs, symbols, stars, hashtags from the content, keep the length suitable for the platform. So here I have added this prompt, and now I am going to add the topic and the keywords. Now we are not going to add this manually. Instead, we are going to use a method called mapping, which means we are going to enter the data from the previous response. Now here I have received the response from my Google Sheets, and when I click on this field, I can see this Google Sheets. When I click on this Google Sheets, I can see all the response that we have captured from the Google Sheets. Here I need to first enter the content idea or the topic, which is this one: 5 must-have workflows for business owners using Pabbly Connect. So here I have entered the content topic. Next, I am going to follow the same process and enter the keywords. These are my keywords. I have entered that. Over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now that I've entered these details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response. In this message content, I can see the response which I have received. Unlock your business potential with Pabbly Connect workflows. Are you a business owner looking to streamline your processes and boost productivity? Then here I have received 5 points: lead management automation, email marketing automation, customer feedback collection, social media posting automation, invoicing and payment reminders. and then I have received the relevant hashtags. So this is the very relevant and a conversational content which I can post on my social media handles, Facebook and LinkedIn. So now that I have generated this content, I have to generate the image for the same content. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this add action step button, and then I'm going to search for my action application, again OpenAI. And then this time in my action event, I am going to take this as generate image Delhi. Now I'm going to click on this connect. So here I have already an existing connection. I'll go with save, and now OpenAI is connected. So in this model, I'm going to select my model as Delhi 3. And then I have to enter the prompt in a similar manner like we did in this previous action step. So here I'm going to enter my prompt like. So here I have written the prompt, generate a high quality eye-catching image for a social media post about. I will be mapping my content here which I have received in my OpenAI response. So let's map that first. This is the content and we have mapped that content over here. So according to this content, I want the image to be generated. Then I have written the image should be visually appealing, professional and aligned with business branding. Use modern design elements, vibrant colors and relevant icons or illustrations. The style should be clean, engaging and suitable for Facebook and LinkedIn audiences. Avoid cluttered layout and ensure readability. So here I have entered my prompt and I just want to generate one image, so I'm not going to enter anything in this field. The size will be 1024 x 1024. The quality is HD. So here we have entered all the required fields, and now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response. Now you can see that I have received the image URL. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this entire response and I'm going to open that in a new tab. Let's see what image we have generated. So this is a very beautiful image we have generated with the help of AI agent OpenAI. Here we have lead management automation, social media automation, and the image has vibrant colors and aesthetics. So now that we have generated the image and the content, I want to post this on my Facebook and LinkedIn. So what I have to do, I have to select my next action application as Facebook pages. And then in my action event, as I have to create page post, I will select this and then click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Facebook pages. Here I have already logged in my Facebook account, and that's why it is asking me, you previously logged into Public Connect with Facebook. So here I am going to continue with that account itself. It is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization, and here authorization successful, which means Facebook pages is now connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter the page in which I want to post this content. So here is my Facebook account and here is the page by the name Digital Dynamics. I want to post my content in this particular page. So I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect workflow and from over here select my page as Digital Dynamics, and then I have to provide the message. Now I am going to map the message which I have received in this ChatGPT response, unlock your business. This is the message, and I have to provide a link URL. Now here I have received the image link, but I cannot enter this huge long link. I have to shorten this link, or otherwise it will give me the error while posting. So for this I have to go to this add action step button before Facebook, and then I am going to search for my action application, which is Bitly. And in my action event, I am going to select this as shorten link. Now here I have already opened my Bitly account and I am going to use this to shorten this huge link which I have generated in OpenAI. So I am going to click on this connect. Now if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Bitly. So authorize Pabbly to use your account. I am going to grant away the permission because my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. So here Bitly is now connected. The group which I just have one group, so I have selected that, and now I am going to map this long URL. So this is the URL, and simply click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. Here we have received the response. This is the link. Now I can map this link in my next action steps. So here I am going to go to this link URL field and I am going to map the short link which I have received in this Bitly response. Now after adding the content and the image URL, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request and let's wait for the response. So here we have received the response. This has been posted successfully on my Facebook page. Now let's open my Facebook and I'm going to refresh this page once. And if I scroll down, I can see that just now I have created and posted this content on my Facebook page. Unlock your business potential with Pabbly Connect workflows. Here are the hashtags. Here is the image. Now what we are going to do, we are going to post the same content on my LinkedIn. So I'm going to click on this add action step button. You can select any other social media platform according to your choice and preference. Here I wanted to post on Facebook and LinkedIn, so I have selected that. Next, in the action event, as I have to share the text with the image, I'm going to select my action event as that and then click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. Now here I have entered my email and I need to enter my password, and simply I have to click on this sign in so as to make this authorization. I have already opened and logged in my LinkedIn account. So from over here, I am going to go with this select existing connection. If you click on this add new connection, you simply have to provide the password and make sure that you have already opened your LinkedIn account. So here I am going to go with this select existing connection and then click on this save. So here LinkedIn is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter these details. So these are the same details which we have entered while posting on Facebook page. So here the author is Ashi. I just have one, so I have selected that. Then I have to enter the image file URL. We have received that URL in the bit.ly response. This is the link. Then I have the content. Text content was this one, and then the visibility will be to the public. Now we have added all these details. I simply need to click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. So here we have received the response. The file uploaded successfully. Let's quickly open my LinkedIn and check whether this content has been posted there or not. I'm going to refresh this page once. And here I can see that just now this has been posted. Unlock your business potential with Pabbly Connect workflow. This was our content and this was the image that we generated. We have received the relevant hashtags also. Now that this content has been posted on both of my social media platforms, I want to update my Google Sheets spreadsheet. This status column should be updated whether the content has been posted or not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this add action step button and then search for my final action application, which is Google Sheets. And then in my action event, as I have to update the cell value, I'm going to select this as my action event and click on connect. Now, as I have already an existing connection, I'll go with save. So here I have to first select my spreadsheet. The name of my spreadsheet is content creation. So here I have selected that. Then I have to select the range. Now here it's written enter the range of the sheet that needs to be updated. Here example this. So here the column which needs to be updated is this one, column C. So I'm going to enter column C and then have to enter the row. The column name plus the row index. So I'm not going to enter this row index manually. Instead, we are going to map this because every time we are going to receive the new response, this should be changed with the new response. So here we have received the response row index 2. I have entered that. Now in the value, I want as soon as the content has been posted, the value should be changed to posted. Now I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request. Here I have received the response. Let's open my Google Sheets spreadsheet and here we can see instantly the status has been updated. Now so as to check this automation workflow one last time, I am again going to add a content idea in this particular spreadsheet, and then if a content is generated out of that idea, then this means this automation workflow is working fine. So here let's quickly add some new idea. So my title is Automate WhatsApp and Email Responses with Pabbly Connect. Never miss a lead again. I'm going to add some keywords. Here I have added my keywords. And now we are going to wait for a few seconds and we are going to open the Facebook and LinkedIn and check whether it has been created, the content has been created for these titles or not. So now let's refresh this Facebook page once. And as soon as I've refreshed this page, I can see that just now a content has been created on that same topic looking to enhance your customer engagement strategy with Pabbly Connect. You can automate your WhatsApp and email responses, ensuring you never miss a lead. So this is the wonderful image that has been generated with the help of AI agent OpenAI. Now let's quickly open my LinkedIn. I'm going to refresh this page once. And here we can see that just now it has been posted on my LinkedIn also. The same content with the same image. Now let's quickly open my Google Sheets spreadsheet and check whether the status has been updated there or not. And here I can see that status has been updated. It has changed to this posted. Now to summarize, with the Google Sheets as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL, we entered the content idea and captured that detail or all the response here in this workflow. Then we moved to the next step. As soon as we captured the content idea, I want to generate content on that same topic. So here I generated a content with the help of OpenAI ChatGPT, and then with the help of OpenAI Delhi, I generated an image on that same topic. Next, I wanted to shorten the link so as to post this on Facebook and LinkedIn. So I used Bitly. Then next action application was Facebook Pages. I made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the content and the link URL. Same I did with this LinkedIn. And then I wanted to update the cell value in my Google Sheets that whether the content has been posted or not. So I made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the range and the cell value, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as the status being changed in my Google Sheets spreadsheet to posted. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And here we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI, Facebook, LinkedIn, and then again Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.